Good morning, children. So today we are going to learn communication and mass media. In our last video, we learned about the communication and about mass media, various advantages of telecommunication and mass media, also disadvantages of telecommunication devices we learn. Okay, just revising I am. So advantages means what are the advantages? Advantages means what is the use of that telecommunication. In short, I am going to revise the advantages. Also, the advantages of mass media, that is we can contact people far away from us, awareness about many issues can be raised, people can be forward about natural disaster also, information about good things happening in the society can be spread by mass media, the government schemes launched for the benefits of people can be implemented successfully by mass media. The awareness can be raised about matters related to food, clothes, shelter, education, and the health. Then the mass media can be used for expanding trade and industry. These are some advantages of mass media. Then disadvantages. Disadvantages also. The disadvantages of mass media are excessive use of the television, computers and mobile phones causes the physical and psychological disorders also. Do you know now we are facing this problem? Some people misuse the information received from the media and disturb the peace and order in the society. Then time spent on watching television leads to the negligence of physical fitness. These adversely affect physical and psychological health also. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of telecommunication and mass media. Okay, children. So in this lesson, we learn introduction to means of communication, various introduction we learn, use of space launch technology for telecommunication, introduction to mass media, advantages and disadvantages of the use of the mass media. Okay, so here we finish our topic. We then write down some exercise. We solve some exercise. Your first question is, write in your copy, write down the educational uses of mass media. Okay, let's solve this. Write down the okay. Exercise we solve. First is write down the first question. Write down the educational uses of mass media. Uses of mass media. Okay, its answer is the programs telecast on television and radio spreads, radio cast on television on television and radio spreads information related to agriculture, trade, trade, sports, literature, tourism, environment, etc. Okay. This information helps. This information helps in detailed study detailed study of variety of topics. Okay. Then computer and this is the first point. Now at the second point here, computer and internet easily provide audio visual information, visual information about many issues related related to education, and third point, radio and newspapers, helping help in spreading educational information educational information information even in remote regions remote regions of the country of the country. Okay, so this is the answer. What is the use of educational uses of mass media? Let's write down this answer. Okay, then second question. How were messages? Second question, how were messages communicated before we began to use the telephone. Okay, before we use the telephone. So its answer is messages were communicated. Messages were communicated with the help of letters and we send letter to each other, telegrams before before we began to use the telephone. Okay, so this is the answer of second question. Let's write down this answer. Okay, children. So next video we will continue with remaining question answers. Bye everyone.